Hi, welcome back to Bake Sip Chat. I'm Carolyn.
I'm Kim.
And what are we gonna make today?
We're gonna make Cinnamon Streusel Coffee Cake.
I'm so excited. Yay!
It's gonna be yummy.
Yes, it is.
First, we're gonna do the topping. There are 4 steps to this lovely process. We're gonna pretty much make all the steps and just kind of set them aside, and then until we get the cake batter part done.
Okay.
And then we'll put everything into the bump pan and go from there.
Sounds
so
good.
Let's go with the toppings.
Let's get it.
So we are going to add let's start out with a pinch of salt.
Oh, pinch of salt first.
Yep.
All right.
I'm gonna let
That
you do
pinchy?
it. Yep,
Oh,
that's
good.
a good pinch.
Getting better at that pinch thing.
And so the ingredients we're listing off are for an 8-inch bump pan, but I have a 10-inch bump pan, so we're gonna be doubling everything for my recipe today.
If you have a 10-inch pan, you can double yours. What we're gonna tell you to do is for an 8-inch pan.
Yes. All right, so pinch of salt is in. Let's do 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar.
1/4 of a cup brown sugar.
This one.
Oh, I was because that says 1/4 of a cup. It does.
Light brown sugar.
I thought that brown sugar. I'm not awake enough yet.
Carolyn had too much fun last night. Oh my goodness.
Did everything.
You're so funny.
Whoa, thunk.
Look at that. All right, brown sugar's in. Now we're gonna do 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour.
This one?
Yep, since we're doubling.
The flour looking stuff?
The white powdery stuff.
Okay.
Going in.
Here we go. All right, here we go.
Doesn't it seem like a lot of
Look,
flour?
I got it all in the
Good
bowl.
job. None of it
Telling you.
landed on the counter.
Yet.
Wow.
There's still more to
So
come.
proud of you.
Thank you. I'm doing my best.
Okay, we're gonna crumble this up with our fork here.
Okay.
And then I'll let you go ahead and add in the 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Okay, the one I tried to grab before. There we go.
Yay.
There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna keep working this here. And then the last, most important ingredient we're going to add is the melted
stuff.
butter.
The butter. How much butter is this?
Oh, 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons. And you just melted it in the microwave?
I did.
All right.
Yep.
You ready for me?
Come on
You
in.
just want me to drizzle slow?
Nope, go ahead.
Oh, wow. Just
Pour it in.
Willy-nilly like.
I go all in.
Oh, I like all in.
Yes.
All right. Perfect.
Okay. And then we're just gonna give it a stir. Look at that come together.
Oh, yeah, I'd eat that. That looks
Let's lick
delicious.
this bowl.
Will it come into like crumbs?
Yep.
You want it like a crumb?
You want it crummy.
Consistency?
Uh-huh, perfect, yep.
You want it crummy. Deliciously crummy.
So, okay, I'm not gonna work this to death here.
All right.
That's the
You
topping. Now we're gonna go on to the next step. Okay, we're on to step 2.
What is it?
This is a very hard part.
Oh, no.
It consists of 1/2 cup of light brown sugar
Uh-huh.
and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Do you think we can
I
handle
don't
it?
think we can handle that.
This is the filling. This is the filling, you guys. That goes like the sandwich. It's in the middle layer.
There. Interesting.
Yes. Okay,
I'm
go ahead.
excited. Oh, you want me to do it?
Yeah.
So bold. She's seen me work. So nice. You're so trusting.
Look, you didn't make a mess.
And that's all you do to it?
That's it. That's the filling.
Well, that
You just give it a good stir.
I'm literally surprised at how easy that is.
Cinnamon and sugar.
I can't
It's a
wait to
lovely
see that
combo.
going. Yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna set this aside and go on to step 3.
Step 3. Here we come. Step 3. What do we got here?
All right,
A lot of
step
stuff.
3. This is the main part of the cake. This is the cake batter.
Oh, perfect.
So yeah, the good stuff here. So we're going in with 5 tablespoons of softened butter,
Okay.
but of course we're doubling since I have a bigger pan.
Yes.
So let's go in here, butter. Alrighty, 3/4 cup white sugar.
3/4 of a cup of white sugar. You want me to do it?
Yep, go ahead and just dump it in,
Dump it in.
and then I'll start mixing.
You mean in the bowl? All the way in there.
You have not made one mess yet.
It's
And
so
I think
coming.
I might have just jinxed it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you did.
The flour.
The flour is like,
the flour
wait
yet.
for me, baby.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna start adding in our eggs. It usually just calls for 1 egg, but we're doing 2, so.
Look, we have little special eggs. We got a surprise in one of them.
Surprise, you have twins!
Yeah, right? All right, one at a time?
Yeah, let's do one at a time.
One. Oh, my glob.
That is too funny. Oh my. Oh gosh.
Wow. That guy
Behave
didn't want to let
yourself,
go.
egg. Oh, there they go. They're being separated.
They really are hanging on together.
Okay, go ahead and do the second egg.
There we go.
Awesome.
There we go. Eggy.
Cream. Ready, set, cream, I say. Making sure.
Checking on everyone.
Yep. Okay.
Good mom.
We're very well creamed here. Now we're going to add our teaspoon of vanilla.
All right, you open that bad boy.
Okay.
She has such a fun little bottle.
Check it out.
That's so cool.
We're just gonna pour because
I
that's how
have
we
bottle
roll.
envy. Never have enough.
Okay. Vanilla's done.
Got it?
Now we're gonna do a pinch of salt.
A pinch of salt.
Yep.
Do you want to do it?
I'll do it.
Okay.
Sure. One little pinch.
Pinch.
Pinch to grow an inch. And then let's do our half of a teaspoon of baking powder.
Okay. And you get?
And then we're gonna do a fourth of a teaspoon of baking soda.
Baking soda.
So there's our measuring thing. Do 2 of those little guys.
2. And a 2.
Awesome, I'm gonna get mixing here.
Sounds good.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
All right.
Now we're gonna do, all right. You got this, Carolyn?
I feel confident.
Okay, turn in the
Kinda.
bowl. We're gonna add
All
in our 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour.
All of the whole thing?
Yeah. Yep.
Push me back. I'm really gonna try.
Look
I'm
at you.
I'm doing good.
You get an A+, honey.
I'm killing
Yay!
it.
You are killing it today.
This is my
You
cake.
should get less sleep more often.
Apparently I function better.
Okay, we're gonna lock it.
That's true
We're
mom
gonna
status.
start out slow.
Don't be afraid. Don't be me.
It's looking a little dry, but we're not done yet.
Okay. I got help on the way.
Oh, this is the best part.
Sour cream.
Yep. Turn up the speed. Okay. All right, you guys. Now we're gonna add our last ingredient.
Here comes the sour cream.
Sour cream. Check it out. Okay. 6 tablespoons of sour cream.
6 tablespoons.
Going in.
Oh boy, that's gonna make it nice and soft and fluffy. Oh yeah, moist. I hate to use that word, but
It's so true.
it's accurate.
Yeah. We need to really come up with another word for that.
We'll work on it. We'll put that on the to-do list.
Okay. Here we go. Wait for it. Oh yeah. Think that looks good? What do you think?
I think that looks perfect.
Look at this. Not one mess of white flour.
Nobody likes to show off. Nailed it.
All right. We're
Just
nailing
wait,
it today. We're nailing it. Next, we're gonna get our bun pan.
Okay. I hear things.
Yes. I'm gonna lightly spray it. Not lightly, I say like give it a nice medium coat.
You really want it to come out.
You don't want it to stick to the pan. That would be a nightmare.
Oh yeah.
First, we need to go back to our topping
Oh.
and get that.
Oh, we're gonna put that on the bottom. Oh, interesting.
Go ahead.
You
Just
want me-
dump it in and we'll spread it out.
Just dump it in. You know, those are very literal words to me. All I hear is just dump. If you
How we roll, Carolyn.
If you
It's
watched
how
our
we roll.
Instagram, you even know that at my own house, I can't help myself but just make a huge mess.
And you want to get it nice and even, which you did.
Did I do a good job?
You did a great job.
All right, because you don't want anybody to be neglected. No.
So, next, kind of got to divide our batter here.
Okay.
And then just start putting half of the batter around the topping.
Okay.
And you,
Do you
this is the
spread
hard
it out,
part.
or
Yeah, you have to
'cause
be very careful. That's
you
why
don't want to disrupt your topping?
Yeah. Come on now.
Off the spoon, you. Will this spread out when it bakes? Or do you want to try and smush it down as much as you can without being...
Well, we'll spread it out
aggressive?
and it'll puff up a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fill in the holes.
We'll spread it out with our little spreader right next to you.
Oh, okay. Oh, perfect. Is it? Yeah, good.
I'd say that's probably
Half?
yeah.
Okay.
And just start spreading. Go ahead, hon.
Oh,
grab
cool.
that and let's
Spread it out.
nice and slow. Look, we did it.
Looks pretty darn good.
Yay.
Go
Okay.
us.
All right.
I'm gonna leave
Next
that there.
is the filling.
Oh,
Remember that brown sugar and cinnamon?
how could I forget?
So basically we can just dump this in.
There's so many opportunities
I
for
know.
error.
Let's do it.
Are you sure you want me to do this?
Yeah.
Right.
I say just dump because,
Just dump?
or sprinkle.
Yeah,
Sprinkling's gonna take forever.
It just makes me feel like I'm not gonna...
Good. Keep going. Yeah, there you go. Do it that way.
Oh, okay. All right. Will you twist the pan?
Oh, yes.
There we go.
Dump, twist.
Dump and twist. Dump and twist.
Because look
I
how
feel like
thick.
we're in Legally Blonde.
Look how thick
Bend
this.
and snap. Oh
Look how
my,
thick
that is a
this-
lot of topping, huh? Filling, not topping.
Come on, Carolyn. Get
We're
your
in the
stages
middle.
right.
I know.
How are we doing?
I think we're
Almost done.
almost done. Oh, oh, that was aggressive. That's all right.
Okay.
You want me to smooth it out?
Yeah. Just smooth her out there.
Oh my gosh, I wish everyone could smell this. Yep.
Happen.
I want to eat this immediately.
Next, we're gonna put on our last topping
that
here.
for ya?
The last of the batter. Oh, it's going in. I'm gonna just scoop it on like we did before.
Okay.
In little clumps here.
I'll keep twisting for you.
Okay.
This,
Let's start spreading.
look what you did. Just want everyone to know that was on. Kim's
That was
watch.
my bad.
Dang, I didn't do it.
Darn it. So you just be very careful and spread. This recipe is awesome with coffee.
Yes,
You know-
it will be.
It's funny how they call it coffee cake, but there's no actual coffee in it.
Should have put some in there.
We'll
That
do
counts as a
next time.
liquid. Put that there.
You're just supposed to eat it with coffee. Okay.
All right,
My
twist
call.
my arm.
Okay.
I'm gonna drink the
That's it.
coffee anyways.
Check it out. It's gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes.
Ooh.
I usually start checking it at 40 minutes.
You want it to be
Brown.
How do you check it?
Well, you
Do
check
you-
it
do you
with a
dip
toothpick.
With a
Yeah.
toothpick, okay.
Yeah.
Do you want the toothpick to come out clean?
Clean.
Clean.
Yeah.
Clean toothpicks.
Yep.
All right.
I like mine just a little bit wet. Just a little. Just a smidge.
She lives dangerously.
Going in here.
All right. Bye, cake.
Bye.
We'll see you soon.
This is the icing for the top of the cake.
We are not doubling this part.
No, we're just gonna keep it normal.
This is just the standard recipe for the icing.
Yep, so we're gonna go in with 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Look at me, don't you worry. 1.5 cups powdered sugar. And then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Why am I singing?
I don't know, it's a singing kind of day.
Oh my.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna do my best.
You got it. Keep going, keep going. Right there.
Whoa, whoa.
Good job.
Thank you.
And then go ahead and start adding in our heavy cream. And this recipe calls for about 3 to 5 tablespoons, depending on your consistency.
Boop. 2, 3.
Okay.
Yell when you're ready for 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready.
Oh, wow, gosh.
Ready, Freddy.
That was faster than I anticipated.
Do it. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Let's do another one.
Let's do another one. This
Yeah.
still looks kind of thick. Lord. Do a good size one.
I'd say one more
in hot. Coming in hot. Sorry, sang that too.
This is gonna be the winner, I think.
I think so.
Look at that cream together, it's so pretty.
You're almost lump free.
No lumps.
Because I know you. You will go until there's not a lump left.
Yep. Much
That's
easier
perfect.
to drizzle. Okay.
Putting a spoon there.
All right. There we go. All done.
Now, we drizzle.
Now we drizzle.
Yay!
Because our cake is done.
Final step time.
Final step. Our cake is done.
Perfect.
So what you're gonna do is keep it in the bundt pan after you take it out of the oven. Let it cool for 5 minutes. And then you're gonna wanna invert it onto a wire rack, keeping it in the pan.
Yep.
And you wanna cool it for another 10 minutes.
Upside down on the rack. Okay.
And then you lift the pan up and hopefully your cake stays in place. Look, we did good.
That looks perfect.
Turned out awesome.
See all that filling? Oh, I'm so excited about that particular ring.
I know it.
And the topping looks delicious.
Yep, so now we get to frost.
Okay.
You
What are we
ready?
gonna do here?
We're gonna take a couple forks.
Okay. Do you wanna hold the bowl?
Yeah, let's hold it up here. And then
You just drizzle?
you just start drizzling back and forth. What do you think?
I think that looks amazing.
We don't want to overdo it.
We would never overdo it.
don't wanna overdo it.
We're not those people.
All right, we're gonna cut it.
Ready?
We have to taste test it.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready?
Get it.
We need to try.
Get it. Get it.
Going in. Oh yeah.
Get it,
I get
Kimmy.
every last little bite here.
You ready?
Going in.
The real moment of truth. Can she get it out?
Oh, look at it. Look. Oh, we got a little dang.
We got a hanger.
Oh, look at that.
Is it just so pretty?
Oh, here, we'll share. Ready?
Oh,
Dig in,
no,
girl.
I'm not ready. Not ready.
Dig in.
I didn't know. No one told me. Okay,
Ready?
now I'm ready.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To coffee cake.
Coffee cake. And coffee.
Coffee. They go together, hand in hand. Ready?
Right. Oh my God.
That's moist. It was a little tough to cut because of the outer shell, but once you get in,
That
it's
is
good.
so dang good.
Frosting or no frosting?
My
do you
dad
think?
would love this.
Seriously though, this is,
This is good. Make
stuff.
this. You need a special cake. This is your winner.
there's a lot of steps to it, but really it's
It's really
fun
fast.
and fast and
Delicious.
worth it.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us. We'll
Thanks,
see you
guys.
again soon.
Bye.
Bye. Oh yeah.
Was that not the bomb?
Is it?
This is funny.
Is it? Oh! Look at you! You did. Wait.
Go down.
There you go.
Gotta put some oomph in it. I'm gonna start snorting because I'm deliriously tired.
Don't snort.
Why am I shot all of a sudden? I just got really curious.
We've done this before.
It's like,
Look at it. Just look at
you better cooperate, cake.
it. Just got a knife. Just gonna use it.